Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to delete your QuickBooks Online data and start over. We understand that managing your business finances can sometimes get overwhelming, especially when you're trying new features or going through changes in your business. Whether you've been experimenting with QuickBooks Online and now things seem a bit tangled, or maybe you're entering a fresh business phase and desire a clean slate, this tutorial is tailored for you. Starting over can be a powerful step, and we're here to guide you through every detail of the process. Now, let's dive into the steps you need to take to delete your QuickBooks Online data and start anew. First and foremost, you'll want to access your QuickBooks Online account. Begin by heading over to the QuickBooks website. Once there, notice the sign-in option typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a choice between various QuickBooks services. It's important to select QuickBooks Online to ensure you're accessing the correct version. After selecting QuickBooks Online, it's time to log in. Carefully enter your username and password. Double-check these details to avoid any login hiccups. Once you're sure everything is correct, hit the Continue button to access your account. It's always a good idea to be meticulous here, as a simple typo might delay your progress. Now, here's where things get interesting. Once you're logged in, you'll need to modify the URL in your browser's address bar. Look for the section after the word App, and carefully remove everything following it. This step is crucial as it brings up a fresh page in your account, preparing it for the purge process. It might seem like a small detail, but it plays a vital role in resetting your data. After modifying the URL, type Purge Company as one continuous word and press Enter. This command signals to QuickBooks that you wish to clear all of your data and begin anew. However, ensure that you're absolutely ready to proceed, because this action is irreversible. Upon doing this, you'll see a prompt appear at the bottom right corner of your screen, asking for confirmation. This is an essential safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Simply type Yes in the provided field to confirm your decision. This step ensures you're fully committed to resetting your data. Once you've entered Yes, click the OK button to complete the process. This finalizes your action, telling QuickBooks to proceed with wiping all existing data from your account and setting up a fresh start for you. And just like that, your QuickBooks Online data is deleted, allowing you to manage your business finances with a clean slate. Before you embark on this path, remember that resetting your data is a permanent action. It's always wise to back up any essential information you might need later. If you're doing this for the first time, take your time, and don't hesitate to rewatch this tutorial if necessary. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to delete your QuickBooks Online data and start over. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.